Hey there, what's up, YouTubers and RC enthusiasts out there? I'm the RC Whisperer. If you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share with your friends and your family, people that like RC stuff and whatnot. Take the bell and give it a good old smash, and write down a comment if you please. It'll help me out so much. So if you subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm the RC Whisperer. Today I'm going to just install a little cooling fan onto my juggernaut. This is actually the smallest one they have in the store, on the online store, because I ordered it online, and it's from Red Spider. They've also got bigger ones, so I got this one because it fits exactly onto the protective case for the ESC on my juggernaut. I'm using an EVX2 from Traxxas, and this is the only spot on the cover case that I can actually install it on. And I could also install it on the top here, but I don't want to mess around too much with the original look. And I did drill a hole into here just so some heat can escape over the top here. But now I've got a little fan for it, so I'm going to have to firstly drill some holes, and then I've got 50 cents here, which is actually the perfect size for the diameter of this part for the cooling when it blows into the case, of course. And I'm also going to connect a little blue light onto it just for fun of it, and so at least I know as well if that the fan's working properly. So if the fan is going to give out, then the light is going to obviously how can I say, it's going to be flickering like a sort of like an indicator telling me that the fan is giving out or something. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to get it installed. When it's on here, I'll make another little video about that one, and then when it's on top there, then also make another video, and then when the body's on and when I connect it, and then just see if everything is working properly. Alrighties, I'll be seeing you in episode 2. Well, I've got it all installed and running and whatnot. So if you look here, blue light, and here we go. Let me just take my phone off and get a little bit closer. Actually, I should have filmed it when it was not installed. Well, there we go. So it's all nice and sorted out, and then when I've got the body on, then I'll make another little video. I didn't want to bore you guys too much while me putting it on here. I mean, I can just explain, just drill 4 holes, take my Dremel, and then just cut out a round hole, and then just connect the wires, just plus and minus. It's very easy. Connecting the light on your heating shrink tubing, connect it all up onto the I had another channel over, a channel, let's see, channel 3 I had left over. So yeah, well guys, me going on to the next video when I put the body on. Well, here's my juggernaut, but actually I call it my dreadnought, and with a body installed, and well, everything seems to be working properly. And but I do not have the roof lights. I don't have them, don't have any lights on them, but I don't know if I'm going to be doing that, so I have to drill more holes. But don't mind drilling the holes and connecting all the lights and whatnot, but I don't have any more channels left over now to connect them onto. But maybe I'll maybe connect it onto the light unit. Maybe I can do something with that. So but anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this little video of my Tamiya juggernaut, and it's a juggernaut 2 by the way. So yeah, this truck is going to I'm going to make many videos with it, and got some aluminum parts for you for these for the blocks to connect the linkages and the bumpers, these protection plates. But hopefully getting my package within a few weeks, and then I'll be making a video of installing them. So, but like I said, I don't want to bore you guys too much. Just make short little videos and then put it all together, edit it, make a nice little video for you guys and whatnot. So, and well, I hope you guys enjoy my videos. And again, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell button, share, give me a comment or something like that. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe, have fun out there on the Aussie trails. Bye bye, see ya.